Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. In the previous class, children, we read lesson number 6, Food We Eat. And now this is time to revise it. So let's start. Food is one of our basic needs, isn't it? We cannot live without food. We eat food when we are hungry. When do we eat food? When we feel hungry. And why do we need food? We need food to grow, to be healthy, and to get energy to work and play. Children, we have three main meals in a day. And what are those? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And when do we eat breakfast? We eat breakfast in the morning. Name two things you eat for breakfast. And what did we write? We wrote poha sandwich. Come to this yellow page, yellow box. Brunch is a meal we eat late in the morning in place of breakfast and lunch. Children, what is brunch? It is a combination of breakfast and lunch. Sometimes it happens that we get up little late, so we can't have breakfast. So instead of that, what do we eat? We eat something solid to fulfill our hunger, isn't it? And that combination of breakfast and lunch is called brunch. Come down. We have lunch in the afternoon. When do we eat lunch? We eat lunch in the afternoon. Name two things you eat for lunch: vegetables and chapatis. Then when do we have dinner? We have dinner at night. And for dinner, mostly we have dal and rice, something light. Okay? We eat something light. Come to this side. We eat and drink many things like vegetables, fruits, dal, rice, chapatis, eggs, fish, meat, milk, curd, tea, coffee, and juice. A meal with all kinds of food. What is that called? A healthy meal. And all these kinds of food should be in the right amount. Understood? Now come down. Can you see this pink box? What are the people who eat eggs, fish, and meat are called? And they are called non-vegetarians. Now let's move on with the chapter. Water is important for our body. Like food is important for us, water is also equally important. It helps us to digest food. What helps us to digest food? It is water. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Children, remember, every day you should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. Come down. Milk is good for health. Milk is very good for health. Why it is good? Because it makes our teeth and bones strong. We must drink 2 to 3 glasses of milk daily. You should drink 2 to 3 glasses of milk daily. Can you see this box, children? Children, we like to have hot things like soup and parathas in winter. What do we like to have in summer? In winters we have soup and paratha, isn't it? Then what do we have in summer? We eat such things which give us relief from heat, like juices, salads, such things we eat, isn't it? Fruits, they give us relief from heat of the summer season. Now come down. We get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants also and animals also. Let's see, what do we get from plants? We get fruits, isn't it? Have you heard about mango tree, grapevine, apple tree? So all the fruits come from plants. Then vegetables also. We get vegetables from plants, isn't it? And all the cereals and pulses, like you eat dal, isn't it? And you eat chapatis. All these things we get from plants. How? because we get wheat, maize, and all the pulses from the plants. Now come to this side. We get food from animals also, like cow and goat. They give us milk. Goat, hen, fish, they provide us with meat, and hen gives us eggs. Now we read that we need food to grow, to get energy, and to be healthy. But there are some good habits we should follow to become healthy. And what are those? Number one, eat meals at the right time. We should get up on time and eat our meals on time. Do not waste food. हमें food waste नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay? Chew your food well. When you eat food, you chew it well. Do not overeat. Overeat means बहुत ज़्यादा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. Okay? Do not eat uncovered food. Why not to eat uncovered food? Because uncovered food is not healthy. It may contain germs and bacteria, okay, which can make us fall sick. Wash your hands before and after eating. Every time when you eat food, before eating food and after eating food also, you should wash your hands. Sit at the dining table and eat meals with your family. Don't sit in front of the TV and eat the food. Okay? Sit with your family on the dining table. At the dining table and eat with your family. Eat healthy food. So like vegetables, fruits, all this. These things are healthy. Why? Because your mama cooks it with all love and cleanliness. Don't eat junk food like pizza, burger, because they can make you fall sick. Do not eat from roadside shops. Okay? Roadside में जो shops होती हैं वहाँ से junk food खरीद कर नहीं खाना है. Drink clean water so that you do not fall sick. Always drink clean water. Okay? Because dirty water can make us fall sick. I hope children you all have understood the chapter. Now read it well and try to understand it more clearly. Good day.